To follow along, simply use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below. That'll take you straight to Squarespace, where you can start a free 14-day trial, no credit card needed. And when you're ready to upgrade to a paid plan, you can use the code METICS10, that's METICS 10 at checkout for an exclusive 10% discount. All right, so once you've clicked that link, here's what you'll see. Squarespace will ask you what your site is about. Go ahead and pick whatever's closest to your situation. This just helps them suggest relevant content. For me, I'm going to type tea, since I'm making a website for a tea shop. But if you're not sure at the moment, you can always click I'm just browsing in the upper right and skip this step. When you've got your topic selected, click Next. Next, check off what you want to do with your site. Things like offer a contact form or showcase work are pretty common. I'll say sell products and click Finish. Don't overthink this. It just helps Squarespace customize your starting content. You can always change it later. Now create your account. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or email, whatever's easiest for you. Just enter your details and you're in. There's no credit card required. After creating your account, Squarespace will walk you through their Blueprint AI Builder. This is where you set up the foundation of your site. And honestly, it's really well done. Just follow the steps and pick what feels right. I'll point out some of the key details along the way. First, give your site a name. Don't stress too much about this. You can always change it later. I'll call the site the same thing as the business I'm making a site for, The Gentle Kettle. Then pick a brand personality. This affects the fonts and colors Squarespace suggests for you. I'll go with friendly. Then click Next. Now pick which sections you want on your homepage. Squarespace has already made a few recommendations based on what you told it earlier. For example, here I have a product section recommended, so I'll check the box for that. And it adds it right away on the left side preview. What else do we have recommended? I want to add an About section, a Form section, and a Footer section. You can add or remove whatever you want. And here's something that's easy to miss. If you click on any section, you can actually change between different layouts for them. Click the Change Layout button and pick from one of the available options. I like this one for the Hero section. Go through, add your sections, customize your layouts, and then when you're done, click Next. Next, choose which pages to add to your site. The home page is always included, and Squarespace will make a few recommendations. In my case, that's the About, Contact, and Shop pages. You can always add or remove pages later, so don't worry about getting it perfect now. If you want to preview through each of these pages, you can click these left and right arrows to scroll through what it's created for you. When you're happy with your selections, click Next. Now pick a color palette. These are curated by Squarespace's designers and grouped by personality. You can customize your colors later in the editor, so just pick one that's closest to what you like. So here we have professional as the first category and friendly as the second category. Since I'm going for a friendly vibe, let's look at these color options. And I really like this one here, so I'll click Next. Finally, choose a font pairing. This is a preset combination of heading fonts and body fonts together. In the friendly category, we have a couple options. I really like this one. Toggle through and find one you like, and when you're happy, click Finish. Squarespace will take a moment to build your site. And when it's done, just like that, you've got a website.